Hi, my name is Vidhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't made a video in a really long time. That was because I had my final exams and my last assignments I wanted to catch up on. But now that I'm finally free, I'm gonna make a YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make tortilla wraps with rice filling. And I found out this recipe, or I was figuring out how to make this when I was studying for my final exams, and I just needed something that would keep me going. So this is when I just came to the kitchen and I was like looking for ingredients. Should I eat today? And this is what I came up with. So stay tuned till the end of this video to find out. So now let us have a look at the ingredients I'm going to be using today. First, some rice, because it's a rice filling tortilla wrap, an onion, capsicum or bell pepper, some ranch, some rosé pasta sauce, some soya sauce, and I like to add some mushrooms, so that. And you can add any veggies you like, some jalapenos, olives, but the rice is the main. And then finally, we're going to be using tortilla wraps. So now, let's get started. So let us first start by cooking our rice. So I have my instant pot right here where you can cook a lot of things, but today I'm going to use it to cook my rice. So first, I'm going to add my cup of rice. Since I've added 1 cup of rice, I'm thinking I should add 2 cups of water. So depending on the cups of rice you're adding, you can add the cups of water. And now we're gonna close it. Here we go. And we're just gonna, if you guys can have a look, we're just gonna press rice and we're gonna let it cook. Rice. It's my first time using it, so I'm sorry. That's it, right? Yeah, I think that's it. So sorry, it was my first time using it. So I think it's on and we're just gonna let it sit. So now, since our rice is cooking, in the meantime, let's get our filling ready. And I forgot to show you guys that in my ingredients, I'm gonna be using 2 cloves of garlic as well. So let's start by cutting our garlic. Now I'm gonna chop half an onion. You can use a full onion, but I just like half an onion. And you want to cut the onion straight, like into slices, so that it's better for the filling. But you can cut it finely chopped if you want, but I like it in sliced onions. And that's the same way I'm going to be chopping my bell pepper as well. So first I'm going to wash my bell pepper. And for the bell pepper as well, I'm just going to be using half of it, not the entire thing. I think my rice is almost done. Just a few more minutes on the rice. And here I have some mushrooms, which I'm just gonna wash up, and then we're gonna start cooking. So now let's start making the filling. First, I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm put it on medium flame. Now I'm gonna add my chopped onion. So let it caramelize for a while, and then I'm gonna be adding my garlic, bell pepper, and some mushrooms. While we have waiting, let's have a look at the spices I'm gonna be using. Some garlic and herb, some oregano, and some black pepper. So now it's time to add the garlic. Here are the mushrooms that I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to add my bell pepper. And now let's have a look at the rice that we cooked in the cooker. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add my mushrooms. So now I'm going to add my pasta sauce, the rosé pasta sauce. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of the pasta sauce. And I really like this sauce, so you guys need to try it. This is my favorite. Now we're going to add our soya sauce. I'm going to adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, or 3. One, 2, 3. And now we're going to add some salt. 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. But you can add as according to your taste. Sorry, teaspoon, not tablespoon. So 3 tablespoons, not teaspoon, not tablespoon. Tablespoon will be crazy. And now we're gonna add some water for it to cook better and for it to marinate and mix well. And now we're gonna add our spices. So let's start with the garlic and herb. And I'm gonna add my oregano. And some black pepper. And now we're gonna mix it for a while, so that it tastes good. In the meantime, we're gonna put a tortilla wrap in the oven for 20 to 30 seconds and heat it up so it warms up. Yep. And finally, before we turn off the gas, we need to add our rice. So our tortillas are ready. And now I'm going to add my rice, which is the main ingredient for this wrap. And now we're going to mix it all well. So it looks really good now. I'm going to add some ketchup for some taste. This step is completely optional and up to you guys if you want to add some more flavor. I'm still going to add some water. Just so that it marinates well and mixes well. And it smells really good. I hope you guys could smell it, but it smells really good. Now, let's have a look at assembling the tortilla wrap. So here's my tortilla wrap from the oven from 30 seconds. I'm gonna first add a layer of jalapeno ranch. I personally like jalapeno ranch, but you can add any dressing you like. We're just gonna take some ranch and flatten it over the tortilla wrap. Now we're gonna add our rice stuffing right in the middle. And lastly, I'm gonna add some sriracha sauce just to spice it up a bit. But if you don't like it, you might not add it. But I'm gonna add it like really less because it gets too spicy. And that's it. That's how I like my rice tortilla wraps, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm just gonna wrap it up. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something useful out of it and can make at home and enjoy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for my upcoming videos where I'm gonna be making more videos which could be you can eat during your exams or it could be stomach filling for keep you filled for a few hours. So bye bye.